Hi everyone, I just wanted to hop on and say I'm so excited about next Monday the 25th of January at 10:30. I'm going to be starting my Mastering Coloured Pencils workshop. It's going to be spread over 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so it gives you a bit more of an opportunity to catch me live. And if you are live, then you've got the opportunity to ask questions and have them answered straight away, which is always a massive bonus. So it would be really great if you could join me live. It's going to be fantastic for beginners. If you really don't know where to start out, I'm going to be talking about the materials, pencils, sharpeners, erasers, paper, all of that kind of thing. But also if you're looking to up your coloured pencil skills, which means you want to learn just some new techniques and tips to push you forward in your coloured pencil journey. Maybe you're feeling a little bit stuck and just would like to know how to move on from that stage. There's lots for everybody. I have got so much content. I'm busy doing kind of little tutorials behind the scenes. There's going to be some competitions for you to win some really lovely prizes, and I really wanted this workshop to be an opportunity where I could share all of the things that I've picked up over the last 4 or 5 years on my own coloured pencil journey. I just want to share them with you because I love this medium so much and I want other people to feel the joy of it too. So I'm going to put the link in the description to take you to an opt-in page where you can sign up, and also if you do sign up onto that page, there is a freebie there which is a materials checklist and recommendations list that I've put together for you. So please click on the link and I really look forward to seeing you on Monday. Bye for now.